Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Double Star Brimstone liner lock knife. This guy is 8.125 inches in overall length. Blade length is 3.5 inches of D2 steel. And it's got a nice hollow grind on it. The handle length is 4.625 inches. And it is G10 with this, one side has a stainless steel liner for the liner lock on it. This one is red, but it comes in plenty of other colors as well. And you do have a pocket clip for tip up right-handed carry, or tip up, nope, excuse me, just tip up right-handed carry. And it looks like it's going to come up to about, that is about what we will see poking out of your pocket. So here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. Guys, go ahead and check this knife out at bladehq.com. Double Star Brimstone.